Most people think foreclosure auctions are risky, chaotic, and impossible to win. But the truth is, once you understand the process, you can buy properties for massive discounts, just like experienced investors have been doing for decades. In this video, I'm going to break down how foreclosure auctions really work, step by step, so you know how to prepare, how to bid, and how to avoid the mistakes that cost beginners thousands of dollars. Step 1. Where auction deals begin. Every auction property starts with a default. A homeowner misses payments, lender files a notice of default, a foreclosure date is set. This becomes public record, and that's where the opportunity begins. You can pull these lists from county clerk, PropStream, BatchLeads, and foreclosure websites. Each record includes property address, borrower name, mortgage info, auction date, and trustee or law firm. Your job is to filter, research, and identify the best opportunities. Step 2. Due diligence before auction day. Before you ever place a bid, you must know the current market value, property condition, whether there are liens, what the opening bid will be, and whether the home is occupied. Remember, you buy the property as is, no inspections, no guarantees, and no refunds. You're buying the title in whatever condition it's in. This is why successful investors rely on process, not emotion. Step 3. What happens on auction day? Depending on your area, auctions are held at the county courthouse, online platforms, and a trustee's designated location. You'll see trustees, experienced investors, beginners, people holding cashier's checks, and people trying to estimate values on the spot. Here's the real sequence. 1. Trustee reads the property details. 2. Announces the opening bid. 3. Investors begin bidding. 4. Highest bidder wins. And 5. Payment is due immediately or same day, depending on the county. Most counties require full cash payment, cashier's checks, and there's no conventional financing. Auction investing is fast. It rewards preparation and punishes hesitation. Step 4. After you win. If you win the bid, you receive a trustee's deed. Then you record the deed, secure the property, change the locks if not occupied, handle eviction if needed, renovate, then sell it, rent it, or refinance through a DSCR loan. Auction deals can become fix and flips or rentals. This is where real wealth is built. The very first auction you win will feel intense, but it can also be the most profitable deal you ever buy. If you want to learn how to do this step by step, avoid beginner mistakes, and start winning your own auction deals, I put a link in the description where you can access a mentorship program designed specifically for new and active investors who want to succeed at foreclosure auctions.